There are a lot of beautiful bird sounds that one hears in Korea. I mean, one hears them everywhere in natural spaces, but they become particularly noticeable after a big rain, after a big Jangma rain. You can hear a little bit of that behind me right now. One of my favorites, however, is the bokkuki, the cuckoo sound. This is the walkway at the university where I work. It leads up to a small mountain range just behind the campus. And last night there've been a few heavy rainfalls before. Jangma usually starts around the middle of June. It's July the 1st right now. It's July the 2nd actually. And we had our first really I guess you could say authentic Jangma rainfall last night. It just came down in torrents. You can't see signs of it now. There's probably almost like a flash flood coming through the little creek that traverses the campus. It's usually it has a bit of water in it, but I think so much water just came pouring through that it's dried out at the moment. There's an entire nature preserve, really, just around the campus of the school. It's quite nice, really.